guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and honest review on the Laneige Berries and Choco Kisses gift set. If you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So for those of you that may not be familiar with the brand, Laneige is a super popular skincare brand from South Korea that is known for their super water-based moisturizing products. And I've been dying to try this brand for years, and I finally did. This was actually the first product I've ever tried from Laneige, and I got this gift set from Sephora. I believe this duo value set is actually only available during Valentine's Day season, but I'm not 100% sure on that. It's just my guess because it's like a berries and choco kisses. It's kind of like a lovey-dovey chocolate covered strawberries Valentine's Day theme, which I thought was super cute. So normally just the berry flavored one alone is like $29 to $30 Canadian. So I personally think that just paying a couple bucks more for the set is super worth it in my opinion. So I live in Canada, and right now is February, which is the coldest month in the year for us Canadians. And I suffer from extremely dry, chapped lips in the winter months. I've tried so many different lip products, lip balms, etc. And they all have kind of just felt like they sit on top of my lips and they don't actually like sink into my lips and my skin and like soften and moisturize them at the base. I feel like they're just kind of sitting on top of my dry lips. Then I saw that Sephora was giving out the Laniege Lip Sleeping Mask as a free sample at one point, and I have heard quite a bit of hype around it here and there over the years, and I thought what better time to try it than now. So here was the sample I got from Sephora. I had been meaning to try this product for many years now, but what kind of turned me off to trying it was actually the naming of it, as they call it a lip sleeping mask, as in it's meant to be worn like a sleeping mask on your face, except it's for your lips. So in other words, you have to wear it all throughout the night, overnight. And I personally am not a huge fan of overnight treatments. I sleep like a gremlin, like I have a big body pillow that I nuzzle my face in, and my hair's a mess like a cave woman. I do not sleep elegantly at all. So anything like sticky and gooey on my face, like moisturizers, night creams, lip sleeping creams, I just am not a fan of. I feel like it just smears all over me in my sleep. So I was kind of turned off to it for that reason. But then I had the obvious epiphany that it is literally just a name, as in they just call it that for like marketing purposes. It's really up to you if you want to wear it as a lip balm during the morning, during the day. You don't necessarily have to use it like it's a sleeping mask, but you can if you wish. So I thought to myself, I'm just gonna use it as a regular lip balm throughout the day and see how I like it. And honestly, it changed my life. I immediately, after just trying it for 2 days, went on Sephora and was like, I need to get the full size of this. And perfectly around that time, they happened to have this duo gift set, which comes with the chocolate flavored one, which is amazing. And it's, as I said earlier, it's just a super good value and a chance to try 2 separate flavors as well. South Koreans do not mess around when it comes to skincare. They know what they're doing. So I went to buy this set and it was sold out. Then I went to buy it again and it was sold out. I finally got my hands on it this 3rd time. And here it is, right here. Finally. So now I'm just gonna go over some of the specs of this product and what it claims it does. Laneige Berries and Choco Kisses. Wake up to baby soft lips. This nourishing overnight lip mask is enriched with berry fruit complex, vitamin C, and coconut oil to leave lips soft and smooth. Directions: apply generously and leave on overnight. However, as I said before, you're welcome to just use it throughout the day if you want to as well. I'm sure leaving it on all throughout the night is going to give it more of a nourishing effect, and I imagine when you wake up it would be next level soft. But even just wearing it through the day, it really does penetrate through the lips and create such baby soft lips and just moisturizes from within. So now let's finally go ahead and unbox this set. One really pleasant surprise is that it actually comes with this little silicone applicator, which is really nice because it's honestly pretty messy to apply without it. Alright, so as you can see, my lips are super chapped right now, so let's try this stuff on. The first one I'm going to be trying is the original berry flavor. So that's how it looks inside. Ah, it smells so good. So I'm going to be applying this one with my finger just to show you the difference, and then for the chocolate one, I'll use the little applicator. Alright, so to start off, I'm just going to swatch it here. So there it is. And now I'm going to apply it on my lips. So here's how it looks on my lips. Now let's go ahead and try the chocolate one. So this one I'm going to be applying with the little applicator. As you can see, it's much more pigmented than the pink one. It kind of feels like I'm smearing Nutella all over my mouth, which I'm not mad about. So this is how the chocolate one looks on. So now I'm just going to be going over some of the pros and cons of this product. So the biggest pro is, of course, that it works. It is worth the hype. It is the best lip treatment I've ever used. I love how it tastes. I love how it smells. It just glides on so well. It just melts into your lips. It honestly reminds me of the consistency of melted candy, and I have a huge sweet tooth. I'm a sugar fiend, so I love that. And now I'm gonna go on to some of the cons of this product. I personally am not a huge fan of this packaging. As much as aesthetically it's really cute, it's a nice pink color, and I like the frosted plastic look of this. However, in terms of function, and this is not specific to Laneige, this is just any packaging where you have to dip your finger inside, I personally am just not a huge fan of that. It just feels a little bit unhygienic, and I just find that it gets really messy, and then my finger is all covered in the slimy, gooey lip balm. And then when your hands are covered in the stuff, it makes it kind of hard to close the lid after because your hands are slippery and greasy. And then a lot of the product also goes to waste that way. And just, yeah, there's so many things I could say about how I hate the packaging, the type where you have to dip your finger inside. So it definitely is nice that it comes with the little applicator. That being said, the applicator is a little bit flimsy and just overall not the best. It feels very cheap. Another con I would say is the marketing / wording of this product. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, they call it a lip sleeping mask, which insinuates that it is meant to be worn overnight. You know, some people might not have the same epiphany as me of, oh, hey, you can actually just do whatever you want and wear it during the day. Some people might say, oh, I just don't like sleeping things in general, like overnight treatments in general, so I'm just gonna avoid this product altogether. I believe Laneige has like a regular lip balm, and that's probably why they call this a sleeping mask, because it's meant to be ultra nourishing and worn overnight. But for people that don't know that, if they're just looking to try it, it might kind of turn them off to it, you know? And the final con I could think of is just a small one, it's just a subjective thing, is that if you don't like flavored things and super sweet things like berries and chocolate, you might not like this product. I believe they have one that is vanilla flavored. I think there's like a bunch of flavors that exist now, but I know some people don't like sugary sweet things, so that might turn you off that these are so sweet. So yeah guys, that is it for my Laneige Berries and Choco Kisses set review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did, and if it was helpful to you, then please give it a like. It truly helps me out more than you know. Please also consider subscribing to my channel and joining my cozy little corner here on YouTube. It would truly mean the absolute world to me to have you join my cozy little corner here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!